Hello everybody, this is Young 996 of Group D-Tune, and today we're gonna do some more 3D design in Autodesk Inventor. Today's tutorial will be focusing more on creating assemblies and everything around that. Okay, select the right project. Where is it? Sorry about that. Done. No. So last tutorial we've covered the extrusion and revolve feature. Assemblies a little bit different because basically assemblies are you've got your different parts and you simply put them together as your final project. So you need multiple parts or a single one if you want, but most of the time you'll need more parts to create an assembly. So I'm gonna create a knife, fairly easy to do, and yeah, we're gonna create the different parts of it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to create the blade of the actual knife, and afterwards we're gonna create a handle and I hope a pommel also, but I'm not too sure about that yet. So knife, about it's a fairly big knife, 30. Nah, stick with 50. Nice wide knife. Want it to be around 30 centimeters. So we're going tactical. Extrude, symmetric extrude about 5 millimeters. There we go. Create sketch. Projecting X. So yeah, we're gonna make a pretty basic knife. It will have an asymmetrical tip, because yeah, you know, I like it that way. So that's really the kind of blade I would use. Fair enough. Nah, gonna add some. Nope. So that's the tip. Now I'm gonna create the actual handle. Go. There we go. For those of you who are wondering, bloody hell. Yeah, never mind. Should we do this? Yes, alright. So the function that I just used is actually to line up multiple lines, so in some cases it saves some time. Dimension, going with a handle of about 30 centimeters. The length would be 120. Yeah, guess it's pretty much okay. extrude. Cut. Gonna change the view. Almost done, I suppose. I think. Yeah, pretty much done. I'm gonna use a chamfer. Oh, no, cancel. This. This. So now we should have our cutting edge. There we go. Nice cutting edge. I'm gonna save it as blades. So we've got our blade. Next thing to do is create a handle. To do so, again, we're gonna create a new part. It's 10mm, and yeah, same as before. Create sketch. So I want a nice handle. Project geometry. Well, no, nice handle, but we'll see. As you can see, these things can really be done quickly. That's just a matter of practice. That's all. 30. 210, I suppose it was. Check. Oh no, 120. Go. Extrude. 10. Yeah, I'd say 10 is about okay. Should have edges. So this would be basically it. Gonna put on a chamfer. Chamfer, not a fillet. Separate distances. That would be about 5. No, big 10. There we go. Second distance around 20. Oh, 15. 10. Apply. Alright, there we go. That's half of a handle piece. We could, and I most likely will, refine the shape. So yeah. It's 5. Okay, some more decent shape. So we got the knife. we got our handle. Only thing left is we need some holes drilled. So we all know how to do that. Obviously, you all have been paying good attention on our other tutorials, so we all know how to make holes. Distance, that's a fairly good distance, around 80. Finish hole. Now we're gonna use holes of 7mm. That would be just fine. And we're gonna do the same over here. So points. $80 and $20. Go finish. 7mm. Pretty big holes. And there we go. Don't forget to save, otherwise we're going to have some problems during the assembly. So, got both of our parts fully finished, both saved. Now to create an assembly. Simply press new, and there you go. This tab allows you to select any type of assembly you want. Now, since we've been working in standard millimeter, we're going to take the standard millimeter assembly file and simply press create. It's loading. Okay, so this is your initial foreground. You won't see anything simply because it's an empty assembly. So we're going to place our blade in the assembly. There we go, there's a blade and two handles, since it's half a handle. 1, 2, and press escape. Now to actually put them together, it's not simply a matter of drag and drops, because you see they phase right through or behind it. It won't do you any good. One more thing I like to do is I like to ground my blades in this case, so that won't be able to move. So we'll be building around the blade. To fit the handles on the blade, we're going to use a constraint function. So we're going to take the first type, mate, just leave everything as it is, it's fine as it is. I'm going to select the first plane of our blade and the second one of our handle, because we want to make sure that the handle is on the top of the blade. So if you do correctly, it will make a noise, and there you go, it's on the blade. It will be able to move right now, but only horizontally and perfectly over the blade. So as you can see, I can't lift it up, it will only hover over the blade itself. So to fix it so that it can't move, we're going to select the constraint function again. We're going to the center of this hole. I'm going to click it, and we want to line it up with this hole. So I'm going to click that, there we go, handle is in place. I'm gonna press OK, and still not fully constrained, we're still able to move it. So to fix that, as before, I'm gonna select the center of the hole and on the blade as well, press OK, and now it won't be able to move. So we're gonna repeat the same with the other part. We're gonna speed it up a bit, because yeah, we all know how to do it. And that's basically how you create an assembly. Fairly easy. I'd say this is all we need, because all my following videos will be about creating knives, swords, and all of that. Next tutorial I will be making is about creating the blueprints for this knife. Yeah, I'm gonna use this knife because it's a fairly easy project. The reason I'm gonna split that up in a different tutorial is because creating blueprints takes a lot more time, and there are more steps involved in doing so. So I'm gonna save this as knife, and I see you next time. So don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe for more videos, and have a nice day.